Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The problem number 4 is find the middle terms in expansion of sub question 1 is x upon y plus y upon x whole bracket raised 12. Now let's see the solution. First of all, given problem we compare with a plus b whole bracket raised n. Comparing x upon y plus y upon x whole bracket raised 12 with a plus b whole bracket raised n, we get a equal to x upon y, comma, b equal to y upon x, comma, n equal to 12. So here n represent number of terms which is equal to 12. It means even number. So for even number, the formula for middle term is n plus 2 upon 2th term. So that equal to, for n we substitute 12. So we get 12 plus 2 upon 2th term. So on simplifying, here we get 12 plus 2, 14 divided by 2. So here the middle term is T7. Therefore, the middle term is T7, for which R is equal to 6. Therefore, the formula for general term is given by TR plus 1 is equal to NCR A raise n minus R into B raise R. The next step will be T suffix 6 plus 1 is equal to 12C 6 for x upon y whole bracket raise 12 minus 6, and for b we substitute y upon x whole bracket raise 6. Therefore, T7 is equal to 12C6 can be simplified as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And the upper number we start from 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into now x upon y whole bracket raise 12 minus 6 gives 6, so that is x upon y whole bracket raise 6 into y upon x raise also 6. Therefore T7 is equal to, so now here 6 into 2 12, that from denominator, and we cancel 12 from numerator. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So we left with 11 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into x raised 6 upon y raised 6 into y raised 6 upon x raised 6. Therefore T7 is equal to, now 11 into 2 22, 22 into 3 66, and 2 into 7, that is 14. Now in this here we cancel x raised 6 from numerator and denominator. At the same time we cancel y raised 6 from numerator and denominator. So we left with only 66 into 14. So on multiplying we get T7 is equal to, now 14 6 are 84, so 4 carry 8, again 14 6 are 84 and plus 8, so that gives 92. So in this way we get middle term T7 is equal to 924. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.